Good morning. I hope all are fine and actively going to take the notes of your chapter Transport and Communication for the class 4th standard. Let us see the one by one. Observe the pictures given below and write the speciality you find in the pictures. This picture is known as bullock cart. Bullock cart or ox cart, sometimes called a bullock cart, carriages when carrying people in a particular is a two-wheeled or four-wheeled vehicle pulled by oxen. It is a means of transportation used since ancient times in many parts of the world. Let us see one. Observe the pictures given below and write the speciality you find in the pictures. Bullock cart. Sometimes it's also called a ox cart. It's carrying when people in a particular. Carrying a people in a particular is a two-wheeled or four-wheeled vehicle. Look at the picture. It is having two-wheeled or four-wheeled vehicle pulled by oxen. It is a means of transportation. It is used for as a transportation purpose. Used since ancient times in many parts of the world. Okay. Now see the next question. Next question means check in your textbook page number 137 and write down the one by one. Observe the pictures given below and write the speciality you find in the picture. I will show any two and further it's your homework to write down in your textbook and in your classwork neatly. A two-wheeled horse. This is known as horse cart. A two-wheeled horse-drawn vehicle is a cart. Sees various types below, both for carrying people and for goods. As only I told what do you mean by good. Good means any material, things, foods, vehicles. For the purpose. For four-wheeled vehicles have many names. One for heavy loads is most commonly known as wagon. Very light carts and wagons can also be pulled by the donkeys, much smaller than horses, ponies or mules. This picture is known as horse cart. A two-wheeled horse-drawn vehicle is a cart. Sees various types below, both for carrying people and for goods. Four-wheeled vehicles have many names. One for heavy loads is most commonly called a wagon. Very light carts and wagons can also be pulled by donkeys, much smaller than horses, ponies or mules. This is the speciality of for what? This is a speciality for the horse cart. Before I explain the bullock cart speciality, this is a speciality of the which animal? The horse cart animals. Further picture, check in your textbook and write one by one neatly in your classwork. Okay, what should you write? First, you observe the picture given in your textbook and write the speciality you find in these pictures. First, you write the picture name and write the briefly speciality of which animal, what type it do the transport. Okay. Now, let's see next. Do people use animals for transport in your locality? Yes. Do people use animals for locality transport in your locality? Yes. If you see according to your chapter, then the answer will be yes. If you see nowadays, then the animals are not used as locality. For some historic places you can see that the horses are carrying the peoples. Yes, but the answer is yes. The people use animals for transport in our locality. You should write the full answer. What? People use animals for transport in your locality. Yes, people use animals for transport in our locality. Next question. Which animals do they use? Yes, tell me the answer, students. Which animals do they use? Check in your textbook and say me the answers and what you understand the answers. Tell me which animals do they use. Let us see the answer. Cow, horses, donkeys, camels, elephants, and what are the other animals you can think? You can also write in your classwork. I will check. Which animals do they use? Cow, horses, donkeys and camels. Once again, see the both questions. Do people use animals for transport in your locality? Yes, people use animals for transport in our locality. In our locality. Which animals do they use? Second question. Which animals do they use? Cow, horse. The animals which we are use are cow, horses, donkeys, camels and elephants. And also I will give an assignment which write down the others animals also which are used as transport. This is your assignment. Write as next question. The others animals are also used as transport, such as cow, horses, donkeys, camels, elephants and many others are there. Let us see to the next question. Next question is, for what purposes do they use these animals? For what purposes do they use these animals? Try to write this answer. Okay, I will show you. For what purposes do they use these animals? Answer: for the transport purposes. But you should write full answer like this: for the transport purposes, such as transferring the goods from one place to another place. What is the answer for this? For the transport purpose, such as transferring the goods from one place to the another place. How? For what purposes do they use these animals? For the transport purposes, such as transferring the goods from one place to the another place. What do you mean by goods? I said you the already. Good means any material or things like clothes, vehicles, foods, things to transfer from one place to another place is known as goods. For the transport purposes, we use the animals such as for the transferring the goods from one place to another place. Okay? Have you understand these answers? Let us see next one. The names of animals which were used for transports in olden days and write them. Yes, students. The names of animals which were used for transport in olden days and write them. The names of animals which were used for transport in olden days and write them. Answer is cow, donkeys, horses, camels, etc. And you should write others animal names also is your assignment. Don't forget to write this. Okay? Yes, I will give you the assignment. Questions. Check it in your textbook, page number 139 to 140. know this. We should have sensitivity and love towards the animals which are used for transport. Yes, we have sensitivity and love toward the animals which are used for transport. Okay? How should the animals which are used for transport be looked after? Know with the help of the elders and write it down in a given space. In this space given. It is page number 140. It's your assignment to do. And come to the page number 141. Observe the pictures carefully, read the explanation given and match with the correct page. One example is given in your textbook and it's your assignment to write it down in your classwork neatly. I will check. Okay. Yes, one more assignment I will give. Come to the page number 143. Yes. Come to the page number 143 and observe the following pictures carefully. Put the correct mark in front of means of communication used by you and in your family members. What the question is? Observe the following pictures carefully. Put the correct mark in front of the means of communication used by you and your family members. Okay? And come to the page number 146. Page number 140. Know this. Check that box. Wright brothers found the aeroplane. Aeroplane is the transport mean. Graham Bell is a telephone. It is as a communication purpose. Charles Babbage, computer. It also is used as a communication purpose. John Beard, television. It's also a communication purpose. Marconi, it's a scientist name and who discovered this. This is your assignment. Do it properly in your classworks and I will check it. Thank you.